Hello everyone, good day. So this is the part 1 of my video tutorial which is entitled the collaboration using Google Docs. So ang ato button diri is we will going to collaborate with my students or my co-students sa ining docs. But first thing first is I'm going to put a titled which I wrote here the my document, and after that we just need to save it, and for us or for them to enter or para maka-access sila diri we need to change the link, anyone with the link, and change the viewer into editor, and for them para maka-edit ini or maka-contact sa ato. And after that you can also copy the link, and after that when it's copy just need to click done. And you can also use Messenger, you can send it through Messenger or through Google. But for me, i-kuha na ako siya through Messenger. I-copy na ako siya through link. And after that, I wrote here, hello everyone, to contact if naana jud ba sila diri ang nga docs. And as you can see here, na ay diri 3 kabuok nga animators or anime na nag-indicate nga naana jud sila. And ikaapat ako, so waya diha ang icon na ako because I'm using this kuan. Yeah. So we're just communicating there, casual communication na mga kuan jud na we really did collaborate using Google Docs. So hello everyone, this is the second part of my video tutorial which is entitled the Google Classroom as a teacher and as a student. So first thing is as a teacher. So what I'm doing this here, kay gihanap na ko ang Google Classroom na ano siya. Then I created my classroom. So there I click rin na dyan ang create class. Then yeah. Then ikuha na niyo ang ijo class name, section, and subject na ka-indicate as a teacher. So first thing ako gibuhat diha kay gi-explore ra na ako ang Google Classroom, which is nagbutang ra ako diha ng mga announcement, announcement, some evaluation, para nga na siya. So, ang inimagod na part sa stream, diri makita ang mga announcement ng mga teacher. Kung naila announcement, kung naabay class, mga modules nila na i-send, ana. And after that, diretso na ako sa classwork because mag-create na kita ng assignment sa ato mga student. So, ang ako first thing diha kay gibutangan ako ng title which is the assignment number 1 and some instructions or descriptions about the assignment. Then also, maka-create po kita diha kung pila ka points ang ato ibutang sa given assignment or task. And also, maka-create po kita ng due date or deadline kung kanus na dapat ipasa ng student ang ila assigned topic. And maka-concept kita ng time, optional na siya. Then we can also close the submission kung after due date, kung nakapasa dyan mga estudyante. Automatic mag-close na siya ang kung due date na jud. Okay? So, I also ginagawa na ko din ng sample documents na ilan sira ng tahay. Then, students can edit files so that they can edit. You can also choose if makakuan ba sila view or edit. So, as here, nag-explore ako diri, click on. Kung naay mo baguhon, click the settings ra, people, classroom, and so on and so forth. So this also the class code na magamit ng mga students for them to enter your classroom. So now we are now in grading the assignment of the students. So as you can see here, naanay nag-turn in na isa. Diyan si Ja. So naana kita para mag-score. So also, for example, na 90. So, maka-indicate na dito sa students kung pila i-just score. Just returned. Click the return. Then, yeah. Masubmit na dyan ng ija grade sa ija. Automatically, if nag-grado na ka. So, this is the video for classroom as students or the learners or as a learners. Kung saon nila. So, continue rata diha. Then, kung unsa tong code nagipakita kaina sa classroom, i-enter na sa diha sa class code for you to enter the classroom. Then, so as you can see here, na yung mga announcement ng teacher, diha makita, mga modules, assignment, and everything. So, diri sa classwork, makita pod nato diha kung naapabay ato pending na work as a students. Then ato na siya i-click na. So for us to submit our documents or our written works, we just need to click the add or create, then click the Google or Docs kung asa nimo gibutang ang imo gihimo na work. Then after that, kung na-attach na nimo siya, for example diha nagpick ako ng sample documents, nakintay ako gianseran ana. So kung ang imo file is naa sa sa imo laptop, you just need to click the upload. For example diha browse, then upload ana. Then yan, mao dyan siya ang file, sample file. Then after that, if na-attach na nimo, turn in ra na nimo siya, automatic ma-submit na sa teacher. Okay? So ana ra siya ang work ng classroom, Google Classroom sa teachers and students. So this tutorial serve as our view as a convenient way for especially sa at this moment ka na kita sa asynchronous mode of classes. That's all. Thank you for watching.